In environments where flammable materials are an integral part of the infrastructure and crucial to daily operations, the possibility of a fire, whether small or large scale, is always present. The threat of a fire hazard is a business and operational reality that spans across a host of industrial settings: mining, petroleum, aviation, marine environments, oil and gas, steel, transportation, and utilities. These high fire risk settings not only require durable and rugged fire extinguishers, but also dependable, field-proven extinguishers to quickly, safely, and effectively contain the hazard in its incipient stage. In this case, there is only one choice that industry professionals trust: the ANSUL RED LINE cartridge-operated fire extinguishers. Redline cartridge-operated fire extinguishers are yet another example of the ANSUL commitment to arming you with an arsenal of the most effective and reliable fire protection products. Redline extinguishers are different from stored pressure extinguishers in that they utilize a compressed gas cartridge to pressurize the extinguisher and expel the extinguishing agent further and faster. Stored pressure fire extinguishers depend on downward pressure of the gas to force the compacted agent back up a siphon tube. ANSUL Redline cartridge-operated extinguishers are specially designed for use in high-risk areas, while stored pressure extinguishers are meant for areas where the potential for fire is low. Besides its ability to discharge the suppressing agents further and faster, cartridge-operated fire extinguishers are preferred in demanding high-risk industries because they simply perform better. Not only are ANSUL Redline fire extinguishers a smart way to protect your assets, they're also a great investment in terms of cost of ownership. Durable and reliable, Redline extinguishers are made for repeated and frequent use. They're easy to service and maintain, and best of all, parts and recharge supplies are readily available. Redline fire extinguishers are available as hand-portable and wheeled models. Completely self-contained, Redline extinguishers are filled with a variety of extinguishing agents. There's a Redline model for every class of fire. ANSUL Redline hand portables come in 4 sizes: 5, 10, 20, and 30-pound models. The slim profile Model 5 is typically used on vehicles and machinery where space is limited. The Model 10 is designed for high fire frequency areas in which light or ordinary fire hazards exist. It is ideal for remote locations where smaller fires occur and on-the-spot recharging is necessary. Larger fires in high-risk areas require use of the Model 20. And the Model 30 is recommended for large, intense fires that require maximum suppression power. The hand-portable cartridge-operated extinguisher has an agent tank with a separate compressed gas cartridge to expel the extinguishing agent. The extinguisher also has a guard to protect the cartridge, a carrying handle, the fill cap with an indicator, actuation lever, and discharge hose and nozzle. The externally mounted pressure cartridge allows for easy removal and recharge. This means you can fight a fire, recharge on the spot, and return to the fire all within minutes. The extinguisher nameplate also provides valuable information on the classes of fire the extinguisher is rated to suppress. The first symbol is Class A for ordinary combustibles such as wood, paper, and cloth. The second symbol, Class B, signifies flammable liquids and gases. Finally, the Class C symbol means that the agent inside this extinguisher is a non-conductor of electricity. Spill fires, fuel in-depth hazards, gravity-fed fires, and even pressure fire hazards are the types of large-scale Class B fires that ANSUL Redline wheeled fire extinguishers are specifically manufactured to suppress. These rugged wheeled extinguishers are mobile and easy to operate. In fact, they're fully operable by just one person. The highly maneuverable large diameter steel wheels make it easy for the unit to be moved to the source of the fire. The Redline wheeled extinguishers come in two models, Model C and Model D. The C model provides a larger nitrogen cylinder and separate agent tank. The wheel center line is located close to the center of gravity for good balance and easy maneuvering. This model also utilizes a pressure regulator between the nitrogen cylinder and agent tank. The D model is a more compact unit with a smaller nitrogen cylinder and shorter agent tank. This model style provides for reduced shipping weight and easier storage. The D model also features direct transfer of nitrogen from the cylinder to the agent tank, eliminating the need for a regulator. The ANSUL RED LINE wheeled extinguisher contains up to 150 or 350 pounds of dry chemical and a twist-off fill cap for ease of recharge. The nameplate offers valuable information about the classes of fires for which this particular ANSUL brand extinguisher is best suited. Another component of the wheeled unit is the expellent gas cylinder that uses nitrogen to discharge the dry chemical. Their standard is a 50-foot hose with a nozzle assembly, specifically designed to provide the correct flow rate. ANSUL Red Line extinguishers are designed for maximum agent flow to allow for quick extinguishment of most industrial fires at the incipient stage. There are instances where increased agent flow is crucial to suppression, such as pressurized flammable liquid and gas fires. ANSUL high-flow extinguishers have been developed for these and other special hazards. High-flow models are equipped with a special nozzle to maximize agent flow rates, thereby amplifying fire knockdown power. An uncontrolled fire can and will cause serious damage. That's why we do our best to avoid these worst-case scenarios by arming our operations with fire protection products. The question that needs to be asked is this: are you suitably protected with the right fire suppression products? Is the fire protection system you have in place meant for your specific fire risks? While it may meet the most stringent fire compliance requirements, can it suppress the types of fires you face effectively, safely, and quickly? In other words, can your fire suppression equipment do the job? Typically, extinguishers are designed to comply with UL ratings. However, Redline extinguishers go beyond UL ratings and are engineered to fight high-risk industrial fires. Most industrial real-world fires involve obstacles and pressurized fuels. Fire extinguishers, however, earn their UL ratings in highly controlled settings, usually from their ability to put out fires in square test pans of various sizes. Rather than selecting your extinguisher solely on the highest UL rating, choose the one that's been engineered to fight real-world fires. All fire extinguishers are designed for their specific application. This is particularly important because no two fires are exactly the same. Note in this demonstration how 3 different extinguishers suppress the fire. To ensure you have the right extinguisher for the right fire hazard, you need to choose an extinguisher specifically designed for that application. An extensive range of Redline extinguishers provides the right high-performance product for your exact needs and situation. In line with choosing the right extinguisher for your fire hazard, NFPA 10 mandates the minimum size and flow rate that a portable fire extinguisher must meet for the protection of 3 specific Class B fire hazards: pressure fire, obstacle fire, and gravity fire hazards. ANSUL Redline high-flow fire extinguishers are designed to not only comply with NFPA 10 and other standards, but also exceed them. ANSUL is a global premium brand of Tyco fire protection products. ANSUL introduced the first hand-portable cartridge-operated dry chemical fire extinguisher in 1939, known today as the ANSUL Red Line Extinguisher. These innovative products still live on today, leading the fire suppression industry in protecting high-risk environments. The ANSUL commitment to protecting people and property from fire has led to numerous innovations, developments, and breakthroughs in the world of fire protection. These innovations, combined with world-class training, are the key to successful fire protection. It was in 1940 that ANSUL established its fire school to train first responders on how to effectively fight a fire. Today, the school helps industry meet OSHA incipient fire training regulations and educates customers from around the world in the basics of hands-on firefighting with hand-portable and wheeled fire extinguishers using a variety of fire extinguishing agents. So the question is, can you afford to risk lives, livelihood, property, and business continuity on compliance alone? If the answer is no, then you know you can't afford not to choose ANSUL Red Line fire extinguishers to minimize your fire risks. ANSUL Red Line fire extinguishers, the trusted and proven standard in industrial fire protection.